The new 2011 Mustang GT cranks out 412 horses. Engine dynamics, suspension, and handling, all radically refined. And a 7,000 RPM redline? Used to take a prescription to get that kind of rush legally. Sounds like this new Mustang could well be the best muscle car to ever wear the famed Wild Horse badge. But only a few of them will sound like this. That's the unbridled, unleashed sound of performance. An amplified power chord anthem of an American pony car icon. It's what happens when you combine a groundbreaking muscle car with the world's most winning exhaust.
The exhaust systems we build for the street are designed and developed for drivers that want to sound stronger and run faster than the factory herd. To them, the stock exhaust system just doesn't sound right. It doesn't give them the power they're looking for. They want every commute, every road trip, every errand, every single time they're in the car to be a full-on race car experience. And we couldn't agree more. We also know that every driver has a preference for sound. Some like a more subdued rumble, others want to crank to 11, and then there are the people in between. That's why we make a variety of exhaust systems for street applications. They all add about the same amount of power, but use different technologies to tune the sound. And what's really cool is that there's absolutely no drone associated with any of these systems in any gear at any RPM range, automatic or manual. But we really want you to hear that for yourself. We're going to install each one on this 5.0 and give you a quick comparison, starting with the touring system. Inside the cabin, the sound is pretty subdued. It's different than stock. The note's a lot deeper. It's a lot throatier, but it's not a lot louder than stock. That's the real important difference with the touring system. The mufflers are bigger. There's quite a lot of filament inside of them. It's a real warm, subdued, kind of mellow sound. Now, the mufflers in our touring system incorporate our trademark straight-through design, but it's a larger muffler. We use the amount of filament and the core itself to really tune and shape the sound. It's pretty mellow at cruise. We call it our sleeper exhaust. But when you step on the throttle, it's noticeable. If you're the kind of person that likes to sit near the speakers at a rock concert, you're gonna love our S-Type exhaust. Since our S-Type exhaust has been so well received by the Mustang community for so many years, it was really important to us to achieve the same tonal quality the S-Type exhaust is known for. Only for this Mustang, we had to use a dramatically different design. It's a totally different muffler. Driving with this exhaust is just like playing an instrument. It's like hitting a big power chord with a guitar or something. I mean, you can just feel and hear the power. For those of you who crave an even more aggressive exhaust system, Borla offers the Attack technology for the 2011 5-liter Mustang. Attack mufflers are by far our most aggressive offerings for the street. They just sound phenomenal. Our Attack exhaust systems are designed and developed on a vehicle-by-vehicle basis. We take all the particular acoustical qualities of a specific vehicle, and we use our attack technology to develop an exhaust that fits that particular vehicle. And the result is pure, uncut excitement. But it's legal, and it's very addictive.
No matter which Borla exhaust you choose, get ready for the intoxicating rush that comes with every squeeze of the throttle. This is pure driving excitement. This is Borla.
We've been building excitement since 1978. You can hear more about our exhaust systems at www.borla.com. I hope to see you there and out on the road too.
Where is he?
It's really an amazing car.
This one?
Yeah. I mean, it's just solid. It sounds good. It chirps in third gear. Pretty amazing. Going up a hill right now, downshifting. I mean, it's just absolutely amazing. So much fun. Really changes the character of the car. I would say that all three of the exhaust systems we offer for the 5-liter really have a different character to all of them. The car becomes a different car, and they're all equally great. It's just sort of a question of what you're looking for. Let's see what this bad boy sounds like through the tunnel. Sick. You really get to know the car in a way that you don't with the stock exhaust. Really get a good idea of kind of how the engine works at different RPMs, and it's really a beautiful thing. You really have a special connection with the car because of the exhaust. You can hear it breathing. The car really communicates with you. Biggest problem I have when I'm driving with the attack exhaust especially is keeping my foot off the gas. I mean, I just want to step on it all the time.